So I wanted to talk about cold approaching and all other ways of meeting women. So I've cold approached a lot of women compared to, I guess, the average person. Um, and it. I mean, when I see a woman that's very attractive, I still get nervous. I don't know if that's not good. They say like you shouldn't get nervous or whatever, but I mean, until the nerves are gone, you just run into the fear, right? And you go for it. But anyways, um, I found myself like kind of like when I talked to a woman just a little bit ago, like 30 minutes ago, I was like pulling away. I was like, asking her a question, and I was like, "All right, have a great day." Like just trying to end the conversation because in my mind I was like, she doesn't want to talk to me. Like, but then actually the vibe I got, she really did want to talk to me. I felt like, and I was like, oh wow, like I kind of wasted that opportunity. But at least I went up to her, I guess. But you got to be open to opportunities, open to them talking and being interested, because you'll get 100 women that are just like, you'll ask one question and then they'll just end the conversation there, or you'll or they won't ask you another question and then you'll end the conversation, which totally fine. It's still like practice, or they won't say anything, which is hard. But um, it's um, I think getting used to rejection is pretty huge, because if you're, I mean, and you don't have to like get her number, you don't have to like get her on a date like right away. Like it's like fine, like it doesn't have to be this whole thing where it's like you have to get the number right there. You have to like, that's just kind of like, that's not good. Like, you know how natural conversations are. If you talk with a guy and you're like really enjoyed the conversation, yeah, oh, let's connect, but like, you're not just gonna get their number if it wasn't a good conversation, or if it was just like so quick or whatever. That's just not normal. So just put yourself in their shoes, the woman's shoes. It's like, no, that, like, you don't need to get her number if it was like, if she wasn't even paying interest, like if she wasn't paying attention or whatever, like, or really interested in the conversation. So yeah, I mean, to be honest, like I said, I've approached a lot of women, um, and I think just being confident talking to women is a good practice, because once you do find your woman, like, obviously you're gonna have to be like okay talking to her. You're not like, she's not gonna like want you to be like so nervous talking to her, or like at least show your nerves, like be like insecure talking to her, and then you like a little bit, I think is fine. But like, obviously a woman is wants a confident man, we all know that, right? So um so might as well practice with women that aren't beautiful, women that aren't your or women in general that aren't your um partner, like, or your future like spouse or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Like it doesn't hurt to build that confidence, build that muscle, because you're gonna need that. Like, I mean, unless you want to just stay single the rest of your life, but like, you're gonna need that, right? So, all right, I don't know. That was kind of all over the place, but I just wanted to talk about that because I I see a lot of like black pill type videos, and I'm like, that's not good. I don't think it should be like no hope. Like, yes, there is women out there and they want to be approached, but they don't get approached. And then there's men out there that, whatever. It's just that don't approach, obviously, and like, but you have to try. You have to try.